In this session, we talk about the remove duplicates functionality of Excel. And just to get a brief background on what duplicates actually mean in context of an Excel dataset is, uh, for that I have prepared up a small dataset over here, which represents the sales done by different people from different countries in different quarters. So, like Johnson has done a sales of $14,000 approximately, and he's from America. And the quarter which I'm referencing to right now is quarter 4. And you can see the entries for Johnson would appear over different quarters itself, and so it would be the case for other individuals, as in Smith or Jones or Brown. They would appear subsequently in this data set a lot of times. Now, there could be a situation, say we take up a task and we simply want to know what are the different names of individuals which we are studying right now. I mean, I don't really want Smith to be appearing multiple times, and I simply want Smith to appear just once in this data set, and I want to know, say, what all other kind of individuals exist over here. So to achieve such kind of a situation, to achieve such kind of a result, I simply need to select the data on which I want to operate upon, and move ahead to the data tab over here and go to the data tools menu. Clicking on the remove duplicates button over here would make me pop up this kind of a warning, and it asks me that there is columns, there is data in the columns just next to this column which I have selected, and do I want to remove the duplicates from the whole selection or only from the current selection. Now we are going to discuss about expanding the selection in the next sessions, but right now we are going to talk about only the continue with the current selection option. And pressing the remove duplicate button would simply make this that this is what Excel is going to do with my data. It is telling me that the operation would be applied upon the last name only, the last name column itself, and pressing the OK button would produce this result. It tells me that there were 11 duplicate values found in this, and 5 unique values remain. So now you see in my column A, only 5 individuals remain now, and they are just a representation of different individuals that were part of my data set, and I have effectively reduced their subsequent entries and multiple entries in column A just one entry in column A. So this was what the whole column looked like before, and this is the way it eventually looks like. So this is about using the remove duplicate option in Excel. Thank you for watching.